Welcome to my channel Innovate. In this video we will going to discuss the Mcat practice session including the chapter number 9, that is organic compounds containing functional groups. So in this video we will going to discuss the questions with you guys, and after that we will going to cover the answer key with the reasons. So starting from the first question. Question number 1 says, it is the end product in the process of fermentation. Option A, methyl alcohol. Option B, ethanol. Option C, ethyl aldehyde. So which of the following is the end product of the fermentation, that is a part of anaerobic respiration? Question number 2 says, aldehyde and ketone are commonly referred to as. Option A, ether. Option B, carbonyl compounds. And option C, phenols. If you know the formula of aldehyde and ketone, so you will get to know that both of the compounds are belonging to the category of which of the following options. Question number 3. Methyl alcohol is also called as dash. A, wood spirit. B, mustard gas. And C, bothwood. So which of the following is the another name for methyl alcohol? You have to answer this question, and this is also written in your books, that which of the following is a common name for methyl alcohol, for methane gas, and for ethanol, etc. Coming to the next question, that is question number 4. Aldehyde can be distinguished from the ketone by using dash. Option A, Felling's reagent. Option B, anhydrous zinc chloride. And option C, resorcinol. So these all are the compounds or the reagents that are either one of the following can be used to distinguish the test between the ketone group and the aldehyde group, because there is a very minor difference in both the groups. So there is a test to distinguish them. And which of the following is the reagent used for that test? You have to answer this question. Coming to the question number 5, it is a bit lengthier but a conceptual one. A nucleophile addition of a carbonium ion generates by the loss of proton from a position of an aldehyde or ketone by a base to the carbonyl group is called dash. A, nitration. B, Aldol condensation. If we read the question twice, I am reading it for you guys. A nucleophilic addition of carbonium ion. When you add the carbonium ion into a reaction where you add this carbonium as a nucleophilic part, it is a nucleophile, and you add this, it generates, and this reaction occur by the loss of proton from the position of an aldehyde or ketone by a base. From the aldehyde or ketone, there will be a loss of proton that is substituted by a base to the carbonyl group, and this proton is going to attach with the carbonyl group, because the carbonyl group or the carbonium ion is coming as a nucleophile. So it required a position of proton and a positive charge, and that is substituted by the aldehyde or ketone. And this there is a formation of a compound, and this type of reaction is called which of the following? A, nitration. Or B, aldol condensation. A little bit conceptual, but you have to answer. We will going to discuss this concept and the reason in the next video. Coming to the next question, the most general method of preparing dash is the oxidation of corresponding aldehyde or primary alcohol. A is phenol, B is carboxylic acid, and C is ketone. Which of the following product is prepared by easy method of oxidation of corresponding aldehyde or alcohol? Question number 7 says, dash is used as a nail polish remover. A, acetone. B, benzene. C, phenol. And D, alcohol. So again, this is a bit easy question, that is simply the uses of all of the following compounds you should know to answer this question. Coming to the questions, and this is the question session. Try to answer, try to learn the concept, and then in the next video we're going to discuss the answer key for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Welcome to my channel Learnovate. In this video, we will going to discuss the answer key for the Mcat practice session regarding the organic compounds containing the functional group. That is chapter number 9. Starting from the first question, it says the end product in the process of fermentation is which of the following? Methyl alcohol, B. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and C is ethyl aldehyde. So the answer for this question is B, that is ethanol. When fermentation takes place, there is a production of the ethanol or the ethyl alcohol. Question number 2 says aldehyde and ketone are commonly referred to as which of the following? Ether, carbonyl compound, or phenol. So if you know the structure of ketone and aldehyde, that is the normal structure of aldehyde is CHO functional group, and ketone having a functional group of C double bond O. So both of them having a C double bond O, that is called as a carbonyl group, and that's why these both of the compounds are considered as a carbonyl compound. Option B is correct for question number 2. Coming to the third question, methyl alcohol is also called as wood spirit, mustard gas, or both wood. So the answer for this question is written in your books, that the methyl alcohol having the common name of wood spirit. Option A is correct for question number 3. Coming to the next question, aldehyde can be distinguished from the ketone by which of the following reagents? A. Fellings reaction, B. anhydrous zinc chloride, and C. resorcinol. So if you have read the test for distinguishing the different functional groups, as we all know that ketone and aldehyde having the journal formula of carbonium ion, that is C double bond O, so it's very difficult to distinguish them both by a chemical property. So a test that is used is the Fellings test or the Fellings reagent. That is option number A correct for question number 4. This test is used to distinguish between the aldehyde and ketone. Coming to the big one, that is question number 5, and I told you guys that this question is a bit conceptual regarding the question. The options are nitration and aldol condensation. In this reaction, they are asking a nucleophilic addition of carbonium ion that is generated by the loss of proton from the position of aldehyde and ketone by a base, and this process is called dash. I will show you the equation for this process. So here you can see this is the aldol condensation, in which two acetylaldehyde molecules are reacting in the presence of a base, and this base having an OH group is donated to this group, that is the aldehyde group, and there is a formation of a beta hydroxycarbonyl compound having both the groups ketone and an aldehyde group by the addition of the hydroxyl group from the base. So there is a formation of this compound, and this whole process is called aldol condensation. So the answer for this question is option number B, that is aldol condensation. Here it is written, and you have to learn this, that you can get the question by an equation or by a written paragraph. So you should know how to solve this equation. Question number 6 says the most general method of preparing dash is the oxidation of corresponding aldehyde or alcohol. So if you know the general formula of aldehyde and alcohol, you will easily get to know when you oxidize them. That is the addition of oxygen in these compounds, either the aldehyde or alcohol, produce the carboxylic acid having the formula of COOH. So this carboxylic acid is produced by the oxidation of either the aldehyde or a primary alcohol. So option B is correct for question number 6. Coming to the last question is which of the following compound is used as a nail polish remover? And I told you that if you know the uses of all of the following compound given in the option as acetone, benzene, phenol, and alcohol, you will get to know that which of the following is used as a nail polish remover. Because of its reactivity, the acetone, that is option number A, is correct for the question number 7. Is used as a nail polish remover. So answers for this question have been completed, and I hope you will get to explain more and much about it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.